Hello guys, welcome to Know How To. So in Know How To we came up with a complete series based on computer solutions. So if you are facing any kind of computer related problem, so please subscribe the channel and comment in the video so that we will came up with that particular solution related with your problem. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of Know How To. So this is a new video, and in this video we'll see how to connect to the domain account with your personal computer. So it is a step-by-step tutorial. We'll see all the steps related with this particular scenario, and we'll see what are the different types of accounts that Microsoft has provided to us, and we'll see. So first of all, we'll see what is a local Windows account, and then what is a domain Windows account, and then how to connect to the domain Windows account. So what is a local Windows account? So local Windows account is the account which Microsoft has provided to you when you had purchased the Windows operating system, and through that account you can log into your personal computer or your laptop. So it will have its own IP address and you will be allowed to log into your personal computer. So that is a separate one from the Microsoft domain account. So there is another account which Microsoft has provided, which is Microsoft domain account. We'll see what it is. So we'll see the Wikipedia definition of Microsoft domain account. So as per the Wikipedia, a Windows domain is a form of a computer network. That means n number of computers will be connected to that particular domain, in which all user accounts, computers, printers and other security principals are registered with a central database located on one or more clusters of central computers known as domain controllers. So basically it is not a rocket science, it is just n number of computers connected to a particular central computer. So that makes it a domain. So here what will happen, so all the security principles will run on that particular domain, central domain account. And for example, if we see, let's say I'm working in a company, let's say ABC, and being an employee of the company, they have provided me a laptop and a particular user account. So that so my account will be connected to that central database system. So all the authentication related problems and all the antivirus related softwares will run in that particular central computer. So once I am going to log into my account, then it will the authentication rules will run in that central computer, and it will, if I'm providing the correct credentials, then it will allow me to enter into that particular domain. So this is how it works. So basically this domain computer or domain account is related to a particular company. So this is how it works. So all that authentication related things and all those softwares, all those security principles will run under that domain controller only. Okay. So we'll see how to connect to that domain controller, Windows domain account. So Microsoft has given some guidelines to connect to the domain account. So first of all, you need to have any version of Windows. You can connect to the Microsoft domain account, but the only thing is that you need to have a Pro edition or an Enterprise edition or an Education edition. So for example, if I'm having Windows 10 Enterprise edition, then I can connect to that company domain account. If I'm having Home edition, which generally personal computers have, then I will not be able to connect to any domain account, because Microsoft think that Home edition need not to be connected to the personal, to the domain account. Okay, so we'll see the step by step guideline how to connect to the domain account. So first of all, you have to open your control panel. So this is my control panel. Here you will get all the system related settings. Now you have to click on the system and security, and then you have to go to the system. So here you can see all the information related with my Windows operating system, as I am running Windows 10 and it is a Windows 10 Home Edition. So I will not be able to connect to the domain account. If I am having one Enterprise Edition, then I will be able to connect to the Windows account. So here you can see my computer name, know how to, and you can see this work group. So basically, if this work group indicate that I had not been connected to any domain account. If I had been connected to a domain, then here you will get a domain name. Okay, now what I need to do, I have to go to the change settings, and in the change settings, so here you will get this computer name, and in computer name you have to go to the change, and here you can see that you can type your computer name also, you can change your computer name, and here you will get the you will see that this particular computer is a member of domain or work group. So as I am having only Home Edition, so I will not be able to click on this domain radio button, but if you are running any enterprise or education, then you can connect to, you can click on this domain radio button, and then you will be able to connect to the that particular Windows account, domain account. So what you have to do next, you have to click on this domain radio button, and then you have to click OK. So after once you click OK, then you will get this kind of a screen where you have to type the username and password of that particular domain. So here username will be your domain username, and password will be the password that particular domain or that company has provided to you, and then you have to click on OK. Once you click OK, then a welcome message will pop up into your screen, and that welcome to the blah 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 company, and you have been connected to this company. Then it will ask you to restart your computer. So then only your changes will get applied to that particular I mean your Microsoft Windows account. So you have to click on OK, and then your computer will get restarted. So you will see a difference once the computer gets started. So there will be another on the login screen. You will see that there is another, you can log in into your system with other user also. So there will be another way to log in by using other users. So you have to click on other user, and there you have to type your Windows Windows domain account username and your password. So on the other user login screen, you have to type your domain name followed by a slash, and then administrator username. So I will repeat myself. So what you need to do, once you are clicking on other user login screen, then in that username you have to type first your domain name, then a slash, and then your administrator name. So for example, company/administrator, and then you have to type your password over there. Once you are going to type your password, then click enter, and you will be able to log in into your domain account. So this is how you have to connect to the domain account. Thank you guys. In this way you can directly connect to your company, and you can work on your company's domain account. So please subscribe the channel. We will come up with more advanced topics and the problems that you are facing in your day-to-day life, so related with computer. Please like the channel, subscribe, and comment, and you can comment your problems also. We'll come up with those solutions, and please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you.